देख रहे हैं आ कलम न्यूज टीवी।
Dignitaries to kindly come over to the stage. Shri Anand S, Vice President of Business and Commercial Passenger Business, Shri Prakash Sangam, CEO of Red Bus, Shri Satish Sehrawat, President, Indian Tourist Council. Well, this is a very, very important moment. I would now request the Honorable Minister to kindly lead us the way by initiating the process of the traditional lighting of the lamp. The media friends have come here in large numbers. Zordar taali ho jaye, because through the media, millions and millions of people will come to know about the activities happening here. And hearty welcome to the media also. Shubham Karoti Kalyanam, Arogyam Dhana Sampada. That's the message. Let's all live healthy, work healthy, and of course make our country strong and powerful and moving in the journey from developing nation to a developed country. Nitin Gadkari ji has initiated, and now this is a very, very all-important moment. Extending a very, very warm welcome to all of you to the Bharat Pravas Awards 2025, celebrating transport and mobility excellence. To initiate today's program, we will have a conversation with what about the entire India? The steering is now handed over. It's now the responsibility of Gujarat, Akhil Gujarat Pravasi Vahan Sanchalak Trust, the Federation of Gujarat, to ensure that the flagship of Pravas will continue to glow in full.
Sir.
Still, all of you are not clapping. Vehicle regulations and emission norms leaving a lasting impact on the sector. And now, with an independent strategy and policy consultant, continue to contribute meaningfully to India's evolving mobility ecosystem.
Sir.
On behalf of Bouquet, special recognition to Shri Abhay Damble. Congratulations. And now we move on very, very quickly in the interest of time. Travels, Rajratan Tours and Travels, Sangeetam Travels, Jharkhand Travels, Dolphin Travelers, you can see them. And the winner, Rajratan Tours and Travels. Favorite bus operator, large size vest. Request all of you to kindly come quickly, please, in the interest of time. The nominees. After that, favorite bus operator mid-size waste, nominees Gujarat Travels, Srinath Solitaire, Babu Travels, Narmada Travels and Sanjay Travels, and the winner is Narmada Travels.
Yes.
Mid-size waste is Narmada Travels. After that, and also join this water station. Favorite bus operator, small size vest, the nominees Musafir Travels, Vikas Travels Jaipur, Parshvanath Holidays Pink Bus West, Ganga Travels West, Ashray Travels West, and the winner is Musafir Travels. Jaldi भाग आइए, आपको Olympians बनना चाहिए in the interest of time, as we are running a behind schedule. And it's gratifying that the Honorable Minister has obliged to give away the award. So congratulations to Musafir Travels. After that, we move on to the favorite bus operator large size South, National Travels, Cochin South, Greenland Travels and Holidays, V. Kaveri Travels, Sugama Tourist and Krish Travels. The winner is National Travels. Congratulations to National Travel Cochin. After that, we move on to the favorite bus operator of Mid-Size South. You can see it on the screen, VKV Travels, SBM Transports, Jabba Travels, KBS Luxury Bus, Go Tour Travels and Holidays. And the winner, KBS Luxury Bus. Our friends and sure we cooperate because of the interest of time we are doing this. KBS Luxury Bus is the winner. Favorite bus operator, mid-size South. You can see them in the traditional attire. Only the friends of KBS Luxury Bus, Talia Bazara, what about others? Everyone in the hall. Next is the favorite bus operator, small size South. Nominees are BSR Cruise and Travels, KSM Roadway. Felicitation will happen to the Honorable Minister.
पंजाब
Let's give a round of applause for the Honorable Minister. Request all the friends to stay back, not crowd it up because of security reasons.
भाई सब क्या मतलब
Our friends of security. Please don't think otherwise. All the other friends should remain in their seats. So let's give a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, to Shri Nitin Gadkari ji for taking time. Nominees are India Cruise and Travels, JetFood Cab, Jujan Travels Private Limited, PTC Skybus, Delta Travels Private Limited, Fauji Tourist Service. The winner is PTC Skybus. I would request Shri Satish Sehrawat, President, Indian Tourist Transport Association, also to please come over and join this presentation along with the Honorable Minister. After this, we move on to the next one, the favorite bus operator, large size North. Ram Dalal Holidays Private Limited, RS Yadav Smart Bus, Gola Bus Service, Raj Kalpana Travels, Samay Shatabdi. The winner is Ram Dalal Holidays Private Limited.
आप देख रहे थे जोगेंद्र डोगरा के साथ कलम न्यूज टीवी।